Hello, in this video we will explain the working of speech controlled RC car. So in this hardware we have installed the ultrasonic sensor for detecting the obstacles, a Bluetooth speaker for speaking out that what objects are being detected, a Raspberry Pi 3B, LN2980 motor driver with two supplies, one for the Raspberry Pi for the continuous 5 volt and 2 ampere supply, and the another one is for the motors for the better RPM and thrust. Now it has 5 commands. The first one is a move forward. In the move forward direction we have also configured the ultrasonic sensor as well. In this the ultrasonic sensor, when it's move forward, the ultrasonic sensor detects the objects, and after detecting the objects it also classify it. For example, if it detects any bottle, then it will speak out from this Bluetooth speaker that the one bottle is detected in the frame. The database system is responsible to record all the information about that what kind of objects are detected and on which time. So if you see that there is an admin panel as well, and here is the information. So we can also see that there is an information regarding every object, and the images are also saved. For example, if we go here, and we must have to go to the static folder, write the image name here, and here you will see the image. And also if you want to see the recent image, then it can also show like this. So this is a recent image as well. Now let's move towards the part in which we have to move this car. So here we have two servers connection. First one is the server installed in the Raspberry Pi, and the second server is installed in this system, which is responsible for detecting the objects in this with a given frame and then return back the message. The purpose of installing two servers, because Raspberry Pi RAM is very small, it's like for example 1 GB only, and if we try to run the YOLO V4 model, which is an object detection model installed in it, then it will take a lot of time in detecting. For in our testing it was 1 minute, 40 seconds or 60 seconds on average. So to reduce this time and to improve the performance, we have installed deployed the YOLO V4 server in this laptop, and it will take only 2 to 3 seconds to process, to send the image, process the image, and then return back the message. Alright, so now what we will do, we will send the speech signal, and let's see what happened here. Alright, so now what we will do, we will give the speech command, and then it will move accordingly. Can you please move right? So it moved right. Can you please move left? So it moved left now. Can you please move backward? Can you please move forward? So it's moving forward now. The speed can be adjusted into the, okay, let's see if it is can recognize a cup or not.
There are one person and one cup.
Do it again.
There is only one cup in the captured frame.
Let's start with the bottle thing as well. That detects the bottle.
There is only one bottle in the captured frame.
So this, yeah. So see, it detects the bottle and also show the image in the